outside.
Yes,
I mean,
finally.
I looked outside our
change the
station,
subject.
it's sunny, and it is going to be a beautiful afternoon. Let's just soak it in. La Jolla just blue on blue instead of gray on blue, with the ocean and the marine layer, just the ocean and those blue skies right now. Now, I've enhanced the satellite imagery because it's not sunny everywhere. Camp Pendleton, Oceanside, Encinitas, I'm sorry. The clump of clouds is really sitting right over your area. We are going to be seeing those clouds continue to clear on out to the coast. We should see clearing everywhere, but I'm sorry, some areas may get stuck in the clouds if you're up in the North County, like in Oceanside. Right now, we are in the 70s for a lot of us, 80 in Warner Springs, 73 in Poway, 71 in Escondido, 70 in Ramona. And temperatures are up compared to yesterday because of all those sunny skies, anywhere from about 2 to 5 degrees warmer than just yesterday. An end is in sight for June gloom. So this pattern today and tomorrow, we should see more of the same, kind of uneven clearing, but more sunshine than we've been seeing the last few days. This storm system will knock our temperatures down as we head into the weekend as it finally moves inland. It could bring some patchy drizzle out of the marine layer clouds overnight Saturday into Sunday. We should still get some clearing both Saturday and Sunday, but a lot more sunshine. The marine layer is going to kick on out of here next week as high pressure builds. Look at all those oranges, all those warm temperatures rolling into our area. That goes for the coast as well. We'll be in the 70s next week. Maybe some patchy fog in the morning due to a shallower marine layer, but that's about it. Inland neighborhoods, we're dripping down to the low 70s Saturday and Sunday, but into the 80s Tuesday and Wednesday with lots of sunshine in the forecast. Cooler, much cooler this weekend in the 60s for the mountains and 90s for the deserts with pretty big gusty winds coming through late Friday into Sunday.